Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how can you give a reverse effect in your videos using Premiere Pro. So first of all, open your Premiere Pro and then click new project to make a new project. Yes, it's pretty simple. And then hit OK. Make sure the location has been set according to you and then press yes. Now open your footage in Premiere Pro. So last I'm going to drag and drop here. Here is my footage. And then I'm going to drag on timeline. Let's see the preview. Now you can see the video is clockwise. Please focus on this needle. Now I'm going to use reverse effect. First of all, select your video file and then right click and then go to the speed and duration and check reverse speed. If you want to increase your speed, you can easily increase like this and then hit OK. Now you can see the after effect. Yes, now you can see the after. The first for renders the required files and then you can see the reverse effect. The needle is going to the reverse. Now the video is anti-clockwise.